Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited because today we're going to be talking all things spring and summer shoes. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have some very exciting videos planned for the remainder of 2025. If you guys didn't know, I started a series called The Tailored Reset, and in that series I'm pretty much resetting my life. It is still in motion. I have not given up, and I'm really going to be tapping into the style fashion aspect of that, and this video kind of relates, so definitely don't forget to subscribe. I have done some research on the upcoming spring summer trends, specifically in the shoe area. I've pulled from that a couple of things that I really like and things that I actually might purchase for myself or things that I already own. All right, let's dive in. I want to touch on a couple pairs of flip-flops, first being these Tikis. I want to say that's how you say that brand's name. Super basic flip-flop, but I think these are so classy and clean and you can really wear them with anything. One of my favorites over the past year has been these Alukai flip-flops. I love the detailing on them. They are like leather material, so comfortable, and I think these are really cute. I'm actually planning on purchasing a white pair because I looked them up today and they are on sale on Amazon. I think they just might not carry these on their main website anymore, but I love them. I think they're so classy. You can either dress them up or dress them down. They aren't completely flat, but honestly, no complaints. These are extremely comfortable. Moving on to a couple different sandals that I think are just trending right now, and that is sandals with any type of gold detailing or some type of statement piece. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. These are by Dolce Vita. I love these sandals. I actually did a poll on my Instagram of which color I should purchase, and I have not bit the bullet yet, but I think these are super nice. Again, you can dress these up or down. These ones here are from Amazon. I just love that gold detail charm look, either by the toe or by the ankle. Another little piece of gold detail. These are Birkenstocks actually. I'm a huge fan of Birks, and these just look more elevated and less casual. Huge fan of this off-white cream color as well. Similar to a Birkenstock, this pair is actually selling for less than $25 right now. This has a double buckle and they sell it in 3 different colors. I just think we're definitely moving away from casual looking shoes this summer to more elevated and classy. Any moment that we can add a little extra flair and accessory, we're doing it. But if you are looking for something that is a little more casual and comfortable, I'm obsessed with these. These are by the brand Reef. Definitely give off like a casual, comfortable vibe, but I think because of the chunky platform here, it just elevates it. It's almost like wearing a heel while you're out. These sandals are also made out of a plastic material, so they're water resistant, and they are the comfiest sandals I've ever put on my feet. If you know me, you know that this is such a Taylor shoe, and I will be wearing these all spring and summer long. Before I continue talking about sandals, I want to talk about a few pairs of sneakers that I definitely think you need this spring and summer. I've been looking for a basic small street sneaker to just throw on with a pair of jeans, a skirt, whatever it is, and I came across these Sambas. You guys, I love these and I'm so excited about these. They're almost like an off-white gray. The color is actually chalk white, and I snagged these right when they came out. They were only $100. I love that the sole isn't like a typical beige color. These might be sold out since I purchased them, but I will leave the link to where I got them below. A brand of sneakers that I'm definitely intrigued by are Salomon. It seems like Salomon makes a lot of like athletic hiking trainer sneakers, but I've seen so many people wear them and I think they look so clean and cute. I will leave a link below to these exact ones. Personally, I feel like you can never have enough sneakers because these will definitely go with anything. I had to mention one of my favorites, and that is the Nike Vomero 5. I posted a video of these on TikTok and the video is still popping off. People seem to love these sneakers. I don't think they sell these in this exact color anymore, but I did see a white pair, which is pretty much the same, just the underneath is white and not this beige color. These are so comfortable and so cute. I always get so many compliments when I wear these. Again, sneakers like these, you can really wear them with anything, dressing them up or down. I think they're just really cute casual shoes for a hot girl walk or a coffee date. Moving on, I never thought I would be one to say that I would ever want to purchase a pair of flats until I came across these ones right here. I love this mesh style look, and I feel like it's perfect for the spring and summer because your feet can actually breathe too. These are just so classy to me, and I feel like they just scream springtime. I've also seen a big trend in crochet style shoes. So first of all, these ones from Dolce Vita, I'm obsessed. I'm waiting for these to go on sale because once they do, like, they are going to be mine. I can definitely picture myself in these. I love the kitten heel vibe. And then I also came across these from Free People, definitely more of a casual vibe. Have that tie up around the ankle, which is super cute and very summery. Before I forget, another sneaker that I have been seeing everywhere and everybody's like, these are the sneakers. These are the sneakers of the year. It's the Viha sneakers. Viha? Am I saying that right? It's these sneakers right here. Again, just a really classic, nice, everyday street sneaker. I feel like basic sneakers like these are perfect if you have a louder or more eccentric outfit, just so they don't steal the show of the actual outfit and your overall look just blends nicely together. I had to talk about a couple different pairs of kitten heels. I think these are so classy and elevated versus wearing a flat flip-flop. These are perfect for a night out on the town or a classy dinner. Kitten heels like this come in so many different colors and designs, but if you're trying to build some type of capsule wardrobe, I definitely suggest sticking with the basic colors. But Steve Madden does offer a bunch of different pastel colors that are actually so cute. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and go follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. So excited to tap into more fashion style content, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.